Come test drive the 2018 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, sport package, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find power sliding rear window, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.